sa akin na yung special moment namin na once na magkasama kami dalawa, kasama yung anak ko, kami family. Pag lumalabas kami, nagbabanding kami. Kasi mahilig kami mag-rides pagka, lalo na siyempre, pagka may time kami talaga, lalo sa buhay ng pulis, napakahirap kasi siyempre yung oras, limitado lang eh. So pagka may time, so ni-enjoy namin yung time na yun, nakasama namin yung bawat isa.
Hi Jay! Sana lagi nating naalala yung araw na to and thank you kasi padami ka ng ginawang maganda para sa amin.
Are you ready to marry Sharina King? Palakpakan natin po ang groom. Do you take this man, David John Meneses Caramancion, to be your lawful husband? And do you solemnly promise before God that you will love, honor, and keep him in sickness or in health, and to be true and faithful wife as long as you both live?
Ang iyong